Hello. If your lock screen shortcuts, these two things have always been stuck on camera and phone. You know this shortcut, this is my lock screen. From here I can easily tap this to open the camera or this to go directly to dialer, right? So if your lock screen shortcuts have always been stuck on these two things, this is your sign to take control. So imagine replacing that camera icon with WhatsApp or notes or even TikTok, whatever you use the most. Even if you're not using a Samsung like this, like me, don't scroll. I'll show you how to do it on different Androids and even iPhones if possible. So stay with me. This little tweak will save you time every single day. So for that, go to settings, that's settings, and then to settings, and then to lock screen and AOD, lock screen and AOD. From here, this is S25 Ultra. It's a little different from other phones, right? So if you have older versions of Samsung, from here you can tap, see where it says shortcuts, tap shortcuts, and from there you can choose left and right, like, and select the app you want. But for this newer S25 Ultra, I figured I have to go to where it says edit lock screen. If I tap here to edit lock screen, why is lagging? Okay, so this is from here. I can touch this now, and from here I can replace it with whatever, maybe an app or WhatsApp, whatever I use the most. If I select the clock, it would is replaced. Now the camera is now replaced with clock, and then I'll hit done, right? So that's how you do it. Okay, so now if you have Tecno or Infinix or other Android 11 and up, you go to settings, you tap lock screen and security, or maybe lock screen settings, right? And you look for lock screen shortcuts or lock screen customization. Tap the shortcuts and choose your preferred apps. Some lower budget Android phones may only allow limited apps to be set here. So if you don't see your favorite app, it's not a bug, just a limitation. Okay, for Google Pixel and OnePlus, you go to settings and you go to display and then to lock screen, and you tap add shortcuts or lock screen customization. You choose the app you want. This may vary by Android version. On newer Pixel devices, you might find this option under at a glance or lock screen tools. Okay, now for iPhones iOS 16 and up, unfortunately you can't directly change lock screen shortcuts, but you can long press your lock screen. While you're on your lock screen, long press on it and tap customize, tap the widget area, and you go to add the widget shortcuts for notes or WhatsApp reminders and so on. So it's not the same as Android shortcut swipe, but it's closest. iPhone lets you this is closest iPhone lets you. So bonus, with Siri shortcuts, you can automate some actions right from your screen. So if this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech with Onyi. I've got some practical smartphone tips every week, and I keep it simple for everyone, no matter what phone you use.